Welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to blur in Alight Motion application using your iOS device. In order to add a blur effect on your Alight Motion account, first of all, go ahead and open the Alight Motion app and make sure that you're inside the main homepage once signing in. Once you're inside the main homepage, create a new project or open an existing one. Here I'm going to open an existing one. Go to the Projects tab in order to do so and select the project. Now that you have your project displayed on the screen, go ahead and tap on your video from the timeline. Now, choose the Effects option at the bottom right menu. Click on Add Effect right underneath your video timeline and then select the Blur option from the list of effects. Choose the Blur option available from the list. You can choose any type of blur options that you're interested in. To apply the effect, tap on one of the blur options and then you will be able to add blur effect on your project. You can also increase or decrease the intensity of the blur by dragging the slider in green at the bottom of the screen right next to strength. Once you choose the strength of the blur, you can now play your video by tapping on the play button, and that's how you can easily blur your clips or add a blur effect in Alight Motion. Once you're satisfied with the blur effect, export your project like you normally do to achieve the desired result. So that's how you can easily blur your video or your content on Alight Motion application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.